All right, so we got Lynyrd Skynyrd with Free Bird, 1977 Oakland Coliseum Stadium official. All right, so let's get it, man, because it's 11 minutes, so I might let it rock for a little bit. I won't talk that much. Homeboy got a snakeskin strap on the top of his hat. Oh my goodness, that's a rattlesnake. Oh, these boys dangerous. These boys is dangerous. 'Cause
there's too many places I've got to see. But if I stay with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same.
Okay, that guitar picking up. Okay. Yo, I see somebody's mom in the audience. I see somebody's mom in the audience, dog.
Play pretty for Oakland.
I like the drums, man, but I also like the guitar as well. I also like the guitar as well, and I just like this constant suspense and build up to the song. Like it's, you know, even the music, even his voice is not even overpowering the drums, so it makes me think that really you should focus on the instruments. But I know this is live, so you know maybe they need to adjust the microphone level so we can hear him, but. You can, you know, he's still pretty clear. So let's get it.
Billy Powell on piano.
And just based on my experience, like I feel like there's a big grand finale. This junk is 11 minutes long. I know there's like I listen to enough Tool to know like there's gonna be a pocket that's gonna really pick up. It does have like sort of like a hypnotic energy to it with the way even the tempo kind of shows that hypnotic energy to the song. Like you just and it, I ain't gonna lie, it could kind of pull you. It pulls you in like very much, like very good. It pulls you in like in a good way. I was thinking the same thing, Tim. I was thinking the same thing.
Oh, the Lord knows I'm to blame. But if I stay with you now, well, things just couldn't be the same.
Boy, that's a lot of white people. I'm sorry. I've been wanting to say that the whole freaking video, bro. That's a lot of white people. I'm sure we got a Negro in there somewhere. I just got to joke about that kind of stuff, bro. That's like my sense of humor, bro. I just have to joke about it. There's a lot of white people. Oh, shoot, it's picking up. Oh, we're in the South. We are in the South. Sorry for the pausing. We are in the South. Okay, the guitar solo. Oh shoot! Wait. Is this Jenny on the roof? This Jenny on the roof. This Jenny on the roof, dog. This is that song? Oh, we gonna jam. guitar solos, y'all. All right, reactors, don't ever pause the guitar solos. I had to learn that the hard way. I thought homeboy on the right side didn't have no shorts on, bro. Wow. That's wow. Hold up. That jump at the end was cold though. I ain't gonna lie. Is this the end? Oh, we ain't done yet? Okay. Hey, homeboy down right here with his arm around the chick. He know he getting something tonight. That was fire. I like that.
One of the great ones, Lynyrd.
Bro, that was fire. That was fire. I can't believe that was the Jenny from the roof. Jenny from the roof. I thought she was gonna jump though, honestly. I thought Jenny was gonna jump. That guitar was playing, that thing was riffing when she was on that roof now. But that was fire, man. Just to be able to see certain songs, like, you know, because like the movie industry, they only play certain songs at certain parts. And you never really hear the complete song. And when this came out, you really didn't know who wrote this. And that's pretty cool to kind of tie together some of your childhood memories with that song. And I gotta put that up there with some of the most iconic drum guitar solos I've heard. I think that might be, shall I say, maybe top 10 ever. And that's just me with my South experience with this type of music. I really do believe even in the most hardcore of circles, I think this is in the top 10, top 20 best guitar solos.